Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to earn money on Facebook and YouTube using people's content. Now, for this to be successful, you need two apps. The first is your TikTok. The second is any video editor. For this video, I'm going to be making use of CapCut. Now, to achieve this, what you have to do first is to go to your TikTok app. So right here on my TikTok app, you just click on the search icon here in order to search for a particular clip. For this video, I'll be using funny clips. You can look for funny jokes, you can look for dance clip. Now you just have to click steadily on the particular best funny clip of your choice. Click steadily on the screen of the video. Now you're going to click on download in order to download it to your device. You can actually do this for more than 5 videos in order to have lengthy videos. Having done that, the next thing you can do is to go out from the app. Now you head straight to your video editor. Click on it. So on my video editor, all I have to do is to import the videos that I just downloaded from my TikTok to my gallery. So right here at the home page of my CapCut, I'll click on the plus icon on new video in order to upload this new video. Now just select the particular new video clips that I just copied. Click on add. So right here you can actually increase the volume. Click on it to increase the volume. You can also adjust it in order to have brighter screen. Just you can adjust it if you want to minimum of 40, maximum of 40, sorry. Now the next thing you have to do here is to cut part of it that you don't want. You can cut out this part that is showing TikTok logo like this. Now please note, you are not supposed to delete or cancel the person's name, because the name will always reflect in the video. You shading it out is wrong. Anywhere the content creator, the owner of the content, sees it, it becomes a copyright to him or her, and if you are being reported, that video will be removed automatically from your Facebook or your YouTube, which is going to affect you, especially if the video is already having high views. So I advise you to always give credit to the owner of the content. Always give credit to the owner of the content. Now having done that, you can also add more content. Just edit it the way you want it to be. Go back, take the next video, now add it. So as you can see, just add as many as you want to. You can add up to 10 clips of different funny videos. If you want to use music, you can add as many as you want, but after adding, you just have to cut some of it, like use the part that is more funny, so that it will be more catchy and more entertaining. As the clip is going like that, people that are watching it from your Facebook account or your YouTube account will have interest to watch it more, and when they watch it more, it arouses more viewers for you. So that is it. Then you have to click on the export in order to export it out from your CapCut. Then you can use it on your YouTube, you can use it on your Facebook, depending on the account that you want to make use of. So guys, that is it on how to use people's content on your Facebook and YouTube to make money. If you want to learn how to use CapCut to edit people's video, if you want to learn how to use CapCut to make money on Facebook, just say yes on the comment section. I'm going to make the video and drop it at the end screen of this video for you to watch. I hope this guides you. Thanks for watching.